welcome to Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen, PVK, and I'm Plush2x. Today I will be showing you some vegan alternative fish. I had fried some breaded fish today, some vegan fish. And if you checked out the last episode, episode 80, I told you where you can get your vegan alternative meats, fish, jerkies. I went to New York. I went on a vegan haul. Check the episode out. It's got plenty of options. I mean, plenty of options. So yeah, that's episode 80. And it's in Chinatown, New York. And here's the items right here. They got different kinds. This is just two of them. This one is a vegan salty salmon fillet and the vegan fish ham. They're good. A lot of it's like, I think about 10 or 12 comes in it. It looks like this, frozen. It's got the seaweed wrap. Let me see the ingredients here. Those ingredients. Zoom in. Trying to see where the ingredients are. Okay, right here. And that's for this one. And then there's this one here. It tastes almost similar, but you know, one or two ingredients different. And it's pretty good. I like it. So here it is, fried. You don't even have to fry it either. It's actually good either way. You can snack on it, not fried, fry. See, and here's what it looks like. This is the one that I breaded with the, I use fish fry. Louisiana fish fry. It's already well seasoned, but you know, if you want to bread it for more seasoning, you don't need to, but that's what it looks like here. And this is the non-breaded salmon one. Let's see, it's more crispy when you fry it than when it's not fried. See, when it's not fried, it's more soft. Get it out. See, it looks like this, more soft. And it's good. I mean, it doesn't need cooking. I can eat it just like this. Just, you know, just like that. So, yeah. But, yeah, there's plenty of vegan alternatives. You don't have to continue the animal cruelty lifestyle, you know, of eating fish and meat. It's not healthy. It's not right to the animals. They have a right to live. And there's vegan alternatives of just about everything that you eat as a non-vegan. So, why not make the change? It's better for the environment and your health and the animals. Alright? Join the animal cruelty free world and make the world a better place. Okay? Go vegan. Peace. Mwah.